Deep in the tropical rainforest of Southeast Asia lies a treasure that is waiting to be discovered. In the symphony of serenity and tranquility, nature holds within it a precious herb, bringing with it countless health benefits, herbs that heals life. Sometimes, simple things in life can be the most important, like being able to live well, do the things we enjoy, and get a good night's sleep. We believe a happy life lies in every breath we take. But what if we struggle to breathe? According to World Health Organization, approximately 500 million people live with respiratory diseases. To support respiratory health, nature has its answer. Introducing Lignosus organic tiger milk mushroom.
Lignosus is a natural lung support supplement made of organic tiger milk mushroom. This is a hidden gem found in the rainforests of Southeast Asia. Tiger milk mushroom is an edible type of mushroom. It has over 400 years of medical history. It's known for its beneficial impact on human respiratory health. Many respiratory problems such as chronic coughing, shortness of breath, lung irritation, scarring, and issues caused by foreign invaders are often caused by a hypersensitivity to specific proteins found in the upper and lower respiratory tracts. These are linked to unhealthy inflammation levels. These proteins trigger abnormal inflammatory responses, muscle spasms, and mucus secretion in the airways, and these can then lead to breathing difficulties. Fortunately, by taking Lignosus, these proteins are blocked, minimizing the airway irritation and enhancing overall lung function. Studies have shown that consistent consumption of tiger milk mushroom for 3 months can disrupt the activity of harmful proteins and dramatically minimize health issues linked to respiratory problems. Lignosus works through a 4-step lung care mechanism to reinforce respiratory health. First, it cleanses and rejuvenates damaged lung tissues. Then it revitalizes and restores healthy cellular processes in the lungs. Lignosus helps strengthen lung function. And finally, it bolsters your natural defenses in the lungs that lower the risk of future damage by reinforcing the immune system and metabolic functions of the lung cells.
Today, Lignosus continues to make a positive impact on the lives of hundreds of thousands of people worldwide, and the numbers keep growing. Lignosus has provided relief to countless individuals who struggle with respiratory issues, helping them breathe easier and live better.
We are committed to supporting your respiratory health through our natural and beneficial herbal supplements. Our goal is to help 100 million people achieve optimum respiratory health naturally. Breathe in every moment of your life. Lignosus, nature's gift for healthy lungs.